Il était connu comme le Golden Boy de l'Afrique.
Botha will win the fight by knockout.
Et il croyait sincèrement pouvoir mettre Mike Tyson KO.
I think probably I'm Peter McNeely. You know, I'm a sacrificial lamb, and I know I gotta prove myself, and I'll do that on January.
Cet homme, c'était François Botha. François Botha était l'un des plus grands poids lourds jamais sortis d'Afrique. Il avait disputé plus de 400 combats amateurs, remporté plusieurs championnats africains et s'était forgé une réputation comme l'un des meilleurs boxeurs du continent. Ce n'étaient donc pas seulement des paroles.
I think he's more nervous than me.
What makes you say that?
He's got more pressure riding on him than me. I got everything to gain, he got everything to lose.
Whatever happens, happens. I'm just ready to...
Il n'était pas simplement arrogant.
All I can say is I'm prepared. I've never been so prepared. I'm ready. I can't wait for Saturday. And you're going to see François Botha being the victorious winner.
He throws a punch out just to make that noise.
François Botha était un véritable poids lourd, capable de performer au plus haut niveau. Il était puissant et possédait une frappe redoutable. Il était même devenu champion du monde en battant le très respecté Axel Schulz. François Botha s'était imposé par décision partagée et était devenu le nouveau champion du monde des poids lourds de la FIB.
François Botha.
The winner is François Botha by split decision. He is the new IBF heavyweight.
Après que Mike Tyson eut choqué le monde en mordant Evander Holyfield lors de leur revanche, il purgea une suspension de 2 ans.
Defending myself. You were aware of what you were doing when you did it here. Also, I was fighting for my life at the time.
Tyson with a short left hook to the head of Holyfield. A right hand by Mike Tyson. What happened here?
He got bit, I think.
Evander Holyfield, look out, he's pushed right here, above us.
First he had a parachute drop on him, now he had a heavyweight behind him. When did we get that on tape?
Fighting hold tactics here by Mike Tyson.
They could disqualify him.
Can you believe it?
You got a big, tough judge here.
A very angry Evander Holyfield now.
You know, it's funny, Mike was having his best friend. He again. He did it again.
Mike Tyson.
I'll tell you what, this is unbelievable.
It's over. It's over. Bill's Lane signaling that it's over.
Son retour eut lieu face à François Botha le 16 janvier 1999. Mike Tyson arriva pour ce combat avec un poids de 223 livres. Tyson et Botha s'affrontaient dans un combat spécial des poids lourds prévu en 10 rounds.
Here they are, ladies and gentlemen, Mike Tyson, François Botha, our 10-round heavyweight special attraction.
Le 16 janvier 1999, le monde de la boxe s'arrêta. Beaucoup pensaient sincèrement que c'était l'occasion pour Botha d'entrer dans l'histoire.
François Botha, Mike Tyson.
Bell for round 1.
Franz Botha tactics, but then again, Mike is...
Et durant les premiers rounds, tout se déroulait exactement comme prévu pour le Sud-Africain.
On the head of Mike Tyson.
Le plan de François Botha face à Mike Tyson fonctionnait à merveille. Botha travaillait derrière un jab rapide, accrochait Tyson dans les corps à corps et l'empêchait de s'approcher suffisamment pour le toucher. Mike semblait commencer à perdre patience. Botha réussit même à placer plusieurs coups nets et semblait avoir le contrôle total du combat. Mais il y avait un problème. Il devait boxer de cette manière pendant tout le combat face à Mike Tyson. Il suffisait de commettre une seule erreur, et au 5e round, ce moment arriva.
Tyson going back to his old style. He's just
adding pressure to his arm. And
what an ugly start to this.
This one was more Botha than Tyson. Fortunate for Tyson, he got it. And the layoff has hurt all that.
This is an alley fight, a straight fight.
Into the streets of Brooklyn.
And again, That fall. Both are dancing around.
Jabbed in and through.
Back, but it was off the shoulder. Now a left by. He's losing his cool. Oh, he's stuck.
There's another one coming.
Have you ever? Hold.
Oh, if I'd read the rule book, you'll find that holding.
Coming forth because there's fire in Mike Tyson. Look and see if we can see why this got. That's the leverage he's applying. Like a
By both. The chase.
Double jab and a left hook landed. But can't win that one. And knowing the game, as a referee, I've seen something that is not necessarily respectable.
And both are backing up his round 3.
And both have won the first round, so this is interesting. Is interesting.
Clearly, most people thought Tyson slips in both his corner. Be taking tolls on both fighters.
It's clearly not the strategy both have said. The bullet.
Remember,
And then he'll feel my power. We'll see.
Much better. Hey, listen. I'm not putting you positive.
both are throwing, and then watch both hands up your eardrums for you. You can puncture an eardrum doing that, by the way.
Patient. And
That was
straight
nice
right
movement
hand.
by Mikey, but Mike's got a fire.
Oh, good right hand by Francois Botha.
Not following Brooks's instructions.
Mike is
What does he need him for?
non-combative posture and
But around, this guy is just walking around, kind of looking.
but Mike's got a fire.
Oh, good right hand. And the crowd reacts.
And loves it.
I'll tell you what, I don't like fighters that
By Francois Botha.
Tyson to that right hand.
Off first, and Tyson not countering, not taking long.
Maybe
How you like that? You're walking away like I told you. I didn't want you to walking away from it.
over at Steele, like to petition him, and he gets hit 2 shots.
recovers.
Yeah. And this mountain of white flesh here. I mean, as soon as he even
Something to Tyson. As Botha tries to get this out.
it's Tyson who's got to worry, not both of
Right
them.
now, he's not winning the
Half of Tyson.
It's way down by his side, and he got Brown.
Tyson était nettement mené, puis il décocha soudainement à Botha une terrible droite. Botha fut complètement sonné. Il tenta de se relever, mais ses jambes ne répondaient plus. KO. Quelques secondes auparavant, François Botha contrôlait encore le combat. Puis une explosion de Mike Tyson effaça tout ce qu'il avait construit. Voilà pourquoi toute la catégorie des poids lourds craignait Iron Mike. Il pouvait être en train de perdre le combat, mais il lui suffisait d'un seul coup, au bon moment, pour tout terminer.
Look at the body. He turns his. Mike steps into him, bang. He turned his whole body, his hip, his.
So typical of Tyson when he punches well.
Regardez comment son corps pivote lorsque Mike avance. Il tourne complètement les hanches et utilise tout son corps pour générer la puissance du coup. C'était typique de Tyson lorsqu'il touchait parfaitement. Ce fut la fin pour François Botha. Botha ne réussit pas à se relever avant la fin du compte de 10, et le vainqueur par KO fut Mike Tyson.
A tremendous amount of rust. But I've been training with, I was just calm. I told my trainer that I'm gonna catch him late. I'm a better fighter now than when I fought Evander. I need respect. If you show me respect and stop writing trashy articles about me, then I'll show you respect.
Mike grabbed my arm and he was trying to